What's up guys, it's Joseph, and this is going to be a quick video on how to use one of these measuring bottles of StaBil. This is the StaBil 360, and this is 1 ounce for every 5 gallons. Here I have a 5-gallon jug, and it's filled up to the 5-gallon mark. You can kind of see that right there. All you have to do is squeeze it until the liquid goes up to where you want. So I'm just going to put it at the 1/2 ounce is 14.8 milliliters, so you can see it's right under the 15 here. And then you actually want to pour it with the measuring part to the top, and that way right after you pour it, no extra StaBil is going to go in. So you just put it up, pour that half, and then you got no extra, and then you just do it one more time because we're trying to do 1 ounce to the 5 gallons. So let that go out. And then that's it. 1 ounce and 5 gallons for the StaBil 360. That's about it. So if you guys have any comments or questions, you can leave those down below. Please like, subscribe, and share, and then I'll talk to you guys next time. And if you guys want to check this stuff out, I will have an Amazon affiliate link down below in the description. Thanks.